Want to know how to log out of Remitly? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step plan on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in or sign up to Remitly, so make sure to watch it. So once you have signed in to Remitly application, now you can just simply select this welcome icon on the top right side once you have signed in, and here you should be seeing signed out on the bottom, so you can just simply select it. And now once you have signed out, you should be easily signed out from the Remitly app, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.